Here we have a 2020 Mercedes-AMG A35 4MATIC Premium. Now this vehicle comes with 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition down there. We also have the silver AMG brake calipers just behind, the Cosmos black exterior paintwork. We also have the LED high performance headlights, some AMG badging on the front grille. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again excellent condition. We also have the colour-coded door mirrors, chrome door handles, black trim around the windows with privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the rear spoiler, which sits nice and flush with the rest of the body. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear you'll find the dual exit exhaust, which sound just incredible. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. So inside of here, take a look at the back first. You'll find the full leather interior, the grey stitching, foldable armrest in the centre, fixed ISO punch just down there. Also in the centre you'll find the vents for the rear passengers, along with some storage space and two Type-C USB ports. We have storage nets behind the front seats as well. We also have the brushed metal handles, the electric windows on the doors. Into the front you'll find the same full leather interior. However, both of these front seats are heated, and there is a look at them. Onto the doors you'll find the heated seat buttons, the brushed metal handles, the electric windows as well with child lock for the rear, electric power folding mirrors too. We also have the auto lights just there, flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has paddle shifters on both sides. Taking a seat inside, then you'll find all of these options just here, such as the cruise control and speed limiter. If you put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Now you can switch between different views on this dashboard. If you want to see all the different options, then please check out the pictures on the website, but as you can see there's plenty of options to go through. Moving on over into the centre console, you find the main infotainment screen, which has the likes of SatNav. We also have the DAB, FM and AM radios, along with the Bluetooth and USB connectivity. We have the phone connectivity just here. If we go into the home, scroll across, you'll see these options that we've just been through. Go to the comfort, this is where you find the ambient lighting just here, where you can choose whichever colour you think looks best. We also have the performance here, where you can go through and find all these details on the vehicle and on the engine, just here, like so. If we go onto the Mercedes, onto the smartphone, this is where you'll find the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Go onto the settings, go over onto assistance. This is where you find all of the vehicle assistance, making it a very safe car to drive. We also have the different drive modes, so if we go down we have Sport Plus, we have Sport, Comfort, Individual, and we also have Slippery. If you put the car into reverse, you'll find the reversing cameras and parking sensors. A few options to flick through just there. Put it back into Park Low. Further down you find the vents, which has the ambient lighting, which you may be able to see just there if the camera will focus. There we go. Maybe I would see just your ambient lighting. We also have the climate control just here, the ice cold air conditioning as well. Inside of here you'll find some storage space. We also have two good sized cup holders, wireless charging just there as well, and a Type-C USB port. That can be closed off like so. Just here you'll find the touchpad and all the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We also have a nice leather armrest which can be opened up for extra storage. And inside of there you'll find two Type-C USB ports. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.